Ang galing, di ba? Hindi ko na hindi ko na
Ay naman, di ba? Ay!
Hindi ko na kinuha na siya.
ng Christmas. As in September pa lang, guys, nagsi-celebrate na po tayo ng Christmas. Kaya palakpakan po natin ating mga sarili. Thanks so much for being here. Yes, of course, my name is Ayana Perlas, your host for today, and we are so excited for tonight. Pero syempre, bago ang lahat, gusto ko muna marinig yung mga supporters natin dito sa ELG! Nandito yung mga tropang Joshua. Yes, titas of Don Bell, Bobby's lovers, Beverly's we love her, and Patty Ramos ang solid Mama B. Yes! We also have, of course, forever friends to Miss Maricel. Grabe! And syempre yung mga fans ni JK. Kompleto silang lahat. But of course, we are not just announcing one, pero meron po tayong 3 grand announcements for you guys today. And we are so excited, guys. And syempre, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, Pasko na. So meron po tayong regalo para sa inyong lahat na for sure ako magugustahan nyo. Welcome to the big reveals of the Facundo Girls ngayong gabi. Pero syempre, guys, alam ba natin kung bakit the Facundo Girls ang tawag natin sa kanila? Yes, of course, alam natin kasi Facundo po ang apelido nila. O, diba? So we are so excited for this drama, family drama of Meet, Greet, and Buy. Ready na ba kayo makita ang The Facundo Girls? Let's go backstage, of course, our Diamond Star, Miss Rosa and Gen Z superstar, Bella Maria. Grabe, Miss Maricel, Inay, and of course, Belle, how you guys feel na grabe yung supporters ninyo here sa ELJ?
Alam mo, pinag-uusapan namin yan kasi kayo mga fans namin. Mahal na mahal namin kayo dahil kung wala kayo, wala kami.
Nakakatuwa na nandito kayong lahat. Parang patikin lang to. Parang mag-abangan tayo sa November 12. Excited na po kami. Yes.
Isa pong napakagandang pelikula.
Alam nyo, Inay and Belle, we just also want to announce that we're actually trending on X right now. We are trending 3 hashtags. Hashtag the MGB The Reveal, the MGB Poster Launch, and hashtag Belle Mariano as Jen. So, of course, si Inay. So guys, si Inay po, siya po ay si Mama Baby. And syempre si Belle, si Jerry sa ating, of course, Meet, Greet, and Buy. And we are so excited for tonight. Pero syempre, short Q&A and kwento session muna with Inay and Belle. I know that this is a family drama, so kamusta po yung bonding moments ninyo as Facundo family dito sa movie na to?
Ako, alam mo,
Yes.
The Facundos.
the Facundos.
Turtle.
The Facundos, diba? And not only are they gonna, like what they said, not only are they a family on the movie, but also in real life na rin. So we are so excited for this. And syempre, Inay and Belle, we just watched the teaser just a minute ago. How did you guys feel sa teaser na yon? Di ko alam po kung maiiyak po ba tayo or are we gonna feel euphoria after the movie? I'm not sure, pero in just a little bit, we will know. And syempre, you guys will find out kung maiiyak ba kayo or will you feel happy after beginning on November 12, 2025. Kaya naman, of course, with our Diamond Star and Gen Z Superstar, huwag na natin patagalin pa. Ito na, Mama Baby and Jerry, are you ready for our first reveal of the night? Yes! Okay, kaya naman, Inay and Belle, let's all watch this. Okay, ito. Okay, so we have a live drone now. This is the digital official poster, but our live drone is now at Eugenio Lopez Drive for the live ELJ billboard of Me. Panoorin po natin ang live drone. Okay, let's wait for it. Ito, ayun na. We see the live drone here, but let's have it flash as well dito. We are so excited. Yan! Okay, ito na. Let's have the ELJ billboard reveal in 3, 2, 1. Diba? Okay. Go! Sabi na ni Alay, go! Okay, let's wait for it. Grabe. Oo, humangangin po ata. Pero I feel like dito, ayun! Yan! Yes. Grabe. Anong nafe-feel niyo, Belle and Inay, with this? Finally, your poster is out in the public every time we pass by the ABS-CBN compound. Makikita na natin ang meet, greet, and buy. How do you feel?
Natuwa ako at nagpapasalamat sa Star Cinema at sa ABS-CBN dahil bongga ang ating mga posters at yung ating pag-promote, di ba? Maraming salamat.
Go, Belle.
Feeling ko ako, tuwing dadaan ako sa dyan, feeling ko mas ma-excite ako sa November 12. Diba? Nakakatuwa na makikita natin siya.
You're so excited. Again, guys, our official poster of Meet, Greet, and Buy now live na live dito sa Eugenio Lopez Drive. Congratulations, Belle and Inay. Pero of course, the night is not yet over. Meron pa po tayong isa pang surprise. Yes!
Susunod na surprise, i-cash nyo na lang.
Yeah! I-cash nyo na lang po yung next surprise. I love it. Okay. Inay and Belle, are we ready? This is the most iconic part of the night. We have here again a live drone right outside the ELJ building. Kaya, okay, let's have our ELJ building drone in just a little bit. Ayan. Okay. Kasi, ayun na! This is our ELJ building. Live na live po ito. And I think Inay and Belle, if you can count down with me. It's 5. So how do you feel po about this MGB live na live sa ELJ
Wala
building?
na, lumaluman ako. Siyempre, nakakataba talaga ng puso kasi yung pagpupungo, di ba? At saka tulungan. Kaya maganda, masaya.
Kaya naman daw.
First time ko ata magkaroon ng movie na nalagay dyan na ganyan. Tuwa ko. Sobrang excited ako makita mamaya yan.
Oh my God.
Puntahan ko yan.
Yes, first time yun din po ba? Wow,
First time.
Oh my gosh, guys, palakpakan po natin sila. It is their first time to have ELJ building lit up for their movie. Kaya this is a very special moment for you guys. And we're so excited for you guys to see it live na live. But ito pa, Belle and Inay, meron pa. Hindi pa tapos.
Surprise.
Meron pa pong isa pang reveal. This is our final reveal of the night. Kaya Belle and Inay, let's all watch this.
Mga kapamilya all over the world, welcome to meetgreetandbuy.com.
Hello po sa lahat ng nanonood sa atin ngayon sa live. Kamusta po kayo? Sana po mabuti po kayo. Ayun po, maraming salamat po na ganito pa ng kaaga. Grabe na po yung support ang pinapakita niyo sa amin, sa lahat po na nagpa-trend sa amin. Maraming salamat po sa pagmamahal ninyo. Sana maramdaman niyo rin po ang pagmamahal namin across the screen ngayon. Panoorin po natin ang Meet, Greet, and Buy ngayon po yung November 12.
sumusuporta sa amin. Sa mga artista gusto nyo at mahal ninyo, ito nga ang mga debate press na ibang klase buhay. Sobrang pagmamahal. Unconditional love ang binibigay. At sobrang ligaya ko. At masayang-masaya ako dahil meron kaming maihahatid sa inyo na maganda at makatotohanan story. Hindi po. Maraming salamat. Love you too.
Thank you so much, Belle and Miss Maricel, for your time. Again, palakpakan po natin, Mama Baby, Diamond Star, Miss Maricel Soriano, and Jerry Bell Mariano!
Yes, ayun. So of course guys, grabe, ito lang po. Ayan na nga mga kapamilya, Big 3 reveals for tonight. Pero take a look guys, simula pa lang ito for our Facunos. Now entering the meet, greet, and buy era, okay? So syempre guys, meron din po tayong special announcement sa mga team online, team buy, and syempre sa lahat sa inyo. Okay, next week, abangan niyo po ang Grand MGB Day on October 8. So we will be having and fan meet. Okay, so first guys, save the date and don't forget to follow Star Cinema's official pages. Kasama na ang meetgreetandbuy.com para sa lahat ng updates. And I will also be joining you guys for the fan meet, yes. Kaya again, kita-kits po sa October 8. And once again, let's give it up for Belle Mariano and Miss Maricel Soriano! Kaya for last, again, meet, greet, and buy happening this November 12, 2025. Palakpakan po natin! Meet, greet, and buy, Star Cinema, Direk Cathy Garcia Sampana. Thank you so much po everyone for joining us. Yes, thank you everyone. Okay, last goodbye na po para sa kanila.
Goodbye. Mag-ingat kayo dahil may bagyo, di ba? Oo, dapat alam mo rin natin magulang ninyo na dito kayo. Alam kayo sa
Oo, yung kami po sa mga baby.
Kasi dapat alam ng mga parents na nasa mga inahay. Oo.
Thank you so much, everyone. Photo up muna with Belle and Inay. Of course, again, our Gen Z superstar Belle Mariano and our Diamond Star, Miss Maricel Soriano.